Feeling tired all the time has become so normal, right? We just accept it as part of a busy life. But what if I told you that constant exhaustion isn't normal? It's a signal from your body that something is out of balance. The great news is, you can get your energy back naturally, without relying on stimulants or quick fixes. True vitality comes from creating simple, consistent habits that support your body and mind. Let's start with sleep. It's not just about how many hours you're in bed, but the quality of that rest. If you wake up still feeling drained, your sleep quality probably needs a boost. Try this: go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This sets your body's internal clock. Before bed, create a calming routine. Put away your phone, dim the lights, read a book, or do some light stretching. This helps your mind slow down, allowing your body to get the deep, restorative rest it desperately needs. Next up, a surprisingly simple one: hydration. Even being slightly dehydrated can make you feel sluggish and foggy. Your brain function slows down, and your muscles feel heavy. The trick is to drink water consistently throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. By the time you feel thirst, you're already dehydrated. Keep a water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You'll be amazed at how much more alert and energized you feel. Of course, we have to talk about food. What you eat is literally what your body uses for fuel. Diets high in processed foods and sugar cause those awful energy spikes and crashes. One minute you're wired, the next you're ready for a nap. To maintain steady energy, focus on balanced meals. Think whole foods, plenty of fiber, healthy fats, and good protein. But it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat. Eating too fast, overeating, or skipping meals can stress your digestive system, pulling energy away from where you need it most. Slow down, chew your food, and listen to your body's fullness cues. Now, I know what you're thinking: I'm too tired to exercise. It sounds counterintuitive, but gentle movement is one of the best ways to fight fatigue. You don't have to run a marathon. A short walk, some stretching, or even just dancing in your living room gets your blood pumping, delivers oxygen to your cells, and releases mood-boosting chemicals. It's a natural energy shot that refreshes you way more than another hour on the couch. Just as important as physical movement is mental rest. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information. Multitasking, scrolling, endless notifications, it's exhausting. You need to give your mind a break. Throughout the day, find moments of stillness. Take 5 deep breaths, stare out a window for a minute, or just sit in silence. These micro breaks help reset your nervous system and restore mental clarity. This ties into managing stress. Chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of high alert, and that burns through your energy reserves. Find what helps you unwind, whether it's mindfulness, a hobby, or just talking with a friend. Managing stress is like plugging an energy drain. Don't forget the power of sunlight. Getting outside, especially in the morning, helps regulate your body's internal clock. It signals to your brain that it's time to be awake and alert, which improves both your daytime energy and your nighttime sleep. And while you're at it, connect with people. Emotional strain and loneliness are silent energy thieves. Meaningful conversations and laughter can be incredibly energizing. Finally, the most powerful habit is to listen to your body. When you feel tired, don't just push through it with another cup of coffee. That just digs you into a deeper energy hole. Instead, ask yourself what you need: a short break, a glass of water, a healthy snack. Responding to these signals allows your energy to recover naturally. Restoring your energy isn't about perfection, it's about progress. By making small, gradual improvements in these areas: sleep, hydration, nutrition, movement, and rest, you give your body what it needs to thrive. Tiredness will start to fade, replaced by a steady, sustainable vitality that will help you feel your best every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more energized life. See you in the next one.